Alright, so this is what we got. We have 2 tires right there. And they go on this camper, which I was gonna fix up and everything, and it's gonna be a lot more work. I'm still gonna fix it up, but and the tires, it just sat for like 10-15 years. 2006 is the last time it was actually on the road. But those tires are junk, but I need to get them back on because I got to get this thing out of the way of the garage. So I don't have anything but a big ass standard screwdriver I used to get them back on the rims. It's pretty simple. It took like a minute each one. Just a simple thing. But now what we're gonna do is we need to reset the bead and put air in them. Where's my lighter? There we go. And so we need 2 things. We need this air compressor. It's already fully filled, and we're gonna use an explosion to fill this thing up. So let's see if I can get it actually in there. And that didn't work at all. Shoot, let's try the other one. We have to work on that a little bit. There we go, that one worked. All right, 1 out of 2. Boom, boom. All right, so this one's just as you can see, these tires are junk. There's just no way that it's gonna, let's see if I can even, looks like it kinda did. Nope. So we gotta try this again. Gotta get that shit right in there. You wanna make sure you get the gas. This one is not gonna work. Oh yeah, this one's just junk. Let's try it on this side and let's see if we can get it to go on this side. I'm gonna sheesh. Alright, I'm gonna stop this video. I gotta work on that freaking tire a little bit to get it a little better. Maybe I'm gonna have to use a lot more. I don't know. You shouldn't have to use too much, just a little quick. Well, you've seen the one. Just a quick little and what this is, it's just brake cleaner. That's all it is, but it's really flammable. So it kind of does a mini explosion and it'll set the bead. But these, I kind of question whether it would work. I was surprised it worked so fast, and that one. But this tire, you can see how it just sat there for like 15 years flat. So, yeah, but that's how you do it. And it works most of the time. I did it with lawn tractor tires. Works just perfect. So. Actually did it to the spare tire of my truck too. So anyways, yeah, that was it. That's how do you freaking inflate a tire, a successful inflation of a tire using an explosion. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others. Peace.